Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the international friendly Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm joined by Ipania. Ikemi ibone kanjani?
Ngibone kahle, ngibone kakhulu ubhola.
Yeah.
Mara mina ngibone umbule.
Ubona umbule nje ya.
Master Chef.
Yeah.
Ngibone nalapha esuswini. Mani naye umuha ngoda ungene wenza into yakhe.
Yeah.
Ungene wenza into yakhe.
Ashayine.
Mara mina ngicinga ba ku FIFA World Cup if kunoba khona uCampbell no Lodge. Ingaphambili lo.
Yeah.
Ingaphambili.
Yeah.
Foster.
Yeah. Amfuna ushabalala. Melula
Ushabalala yena.
Thethinyana.
Abo ushabalala ngabeka kulanda kambule.
Ithe.
Yeah, kulanda kambule.
Oh, kusalumbule.
Yeah.
Makiyo ku AFCON.
AFCON. Salumbule kambudu.
Oh, ngiyakubamba ntwana yami.
Yeah.
Man of the match ubani ntwana?
Sipho Mbule.
Yeah.
Master Chef.
Yeah.
Master Chef.
So ithathi AFCON bafethu.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Sifunekayo ngoku sikhubu Foster nangona la Premier League la masimba ukubuyisa uLodge Team City enetena top 10 performances uLodge ufuna kubuya homa la Life Force yaze la Premier League la masimba pha asimfuni hayi asimfuni sasa Nix yathanda kwakhe attitude la uthanda kwakhe lapha kupheni ba Premier League akona yenza ingakho la maxesha akhe phela uthanda kwakhe into sifuna nguLodge qaqaba nomdala ahlale phandle kwaba ya simfuni noma udlala yini sasifuna uLodge manje Lodge udlala yini udlala kanjani samudlala kanjani la masima yima uFoster ever since ejoine iBurnley sescored 10 goals na Premier League sescored 10 goals na Tololo hey performance Ntswembu Foster enzile for South Africa like AFCON le Nix Tololo nje mabuyi Lodge
Ngiyakubamba kahlale phansi.
bahlale phansi
Thank you Njayama. Asibonge Njayama. Who's next, my friend? Who's next? Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?